everyone, this is Divyanshi Jaswal and you're watching Address of Choice channel. We are a channel partner and on this channel you will find so many walkthrough and overview videos of projects so that you can hunt your dream home virtually. We work all over India and you will find projects from different cities. Well, today we are in Gurgaon, Sector 38A to cover a beautiful project that is Waterside Residences, Krishumi City. This is a joint venture between Sumitomo Group and Krishna Group. Let's start the video without any delay. Come on. The boundaries of this project are connected with Global City and this project is bang on CPR, that is the Central Peripheral Road. Well, with that you can understand the locality. You will find all these schools, hospitals, malls and everything within the close vicinity of this project. Now if I talk about Sumitomo Group, then this is their first project in India, and if you just have a look all around you will realize that it's mini Japan inside India. This is Torii Gate, a traditional Japanese gate. Beautiful, right? Well, this is your way to the sales gallery. And just like this, you will find beautiful Japanese craftsmanship throughout the project. Now let me take you inside and explain you the project a bit more. And we have different options over here, right from studio apartments to 2 BHK, 2+ servant and 3 BHKs as well. If I talk about why the name is Waterside Residences, then that is because we have multiple water bodies inside this project. In fact, the center part of the area is dedicated to a water body that is spread across 1.5 acres. The land parcel of this complete project is 33 acres, out of which 22 acres is dedicated for residences and the rest is dedicated for future development, under which we'll have schools, malls, commercials and many other things. That will also include EWS. Now, other than that, if I talk about the residential part, then the first phase is already sold out. That was built in over 5.44 acres and we had 2 towers over there. Now, if I talk about the second phase and the third phase, then the first option over here is of water suites. That is basically a studio apartment that are dedicated in the front 2 towers of the second phase. Well, over here you will find amenities on the ground floor and along with that there is a clubhouse right next to the tower. There are 3 different size options in water suites, and if I talk about them, then the first option is of 940 square feet, second option is of 1025 square feet and the third option is of 1172 square feet. And then we have the third phase. Inside this land parcel, we are gonna have 9 towers, but till now they have just launched 3 towers, which will be known as water residences. And over here we have 2 BHK, 2 BHK plus servant, 3 BHK and 3 BHK plus servant apartments. Water Residences Tower 1 is completely dedicated for 3+S, that is store, study and servant, which is amazing. And the area of this apartment will be 2700 square feet. Water Residences Tower 2 and Tower 3 has a mixed combination of 2+S, that is again servant, study and store, plus 3 BHK. Here are the sizes of these apartments. 2 BHK is built in over 1740 square feet. 2+S is built in over 1925 square feet to 1965 square feet. And the last option is of 3 BHK, that is built in over 2260 square feet. They have used aluminium monolithic formwork over here, which is even a level better than my own construction. And everything over here will be certified by the Japanese assurances. So you can understand the opulence and the luxury you are gonna get over here. Now let me talk about the main USP of this project, that is the Cascades Club. That is a huge, beautiful, marvelous structure built in over 160,000 square feet of land parcel, and they have spent over 350 crores on the making of it. So you can understand the luxurious amenities you are gonna get there and the opulency will be there. Inside the clubhouse, you will find a yoga room, artificial cricket crease, half basketball court, badminton court, tennis court, gymnasium, toddlers play area, swimming pool, multi-purpose court, multiple swimming pools, rock climbing area, co-working spaces, and multiple clubs and restaurants. In all the towers, we have amenities on the ground floor that includes crèche and toddlers play zone. Along with that, if I talk about the number of elevators in each tower, then we have 7 elevators, out of which 4 are passenger lifts. 1 is dedicated for the service lift and 2 are shuttle elevators. Inside the project, you will find multiple swimming pools. There is also a children's water park. We have convenience store, landscape and green areas, water features, sitting areas, meditation zones and much more. Well, that was all about Christmas City. I hope I was able to explain it to you guys. This is a new launch. They don't have a sample apartment yet over here. That is why we haven't covered it, obviously. And there is currently an inaugural discount that is going on. So if you connect right away, maybe you will get the opportunity to enjoy inaugural discount. Other than that, if I talk about the pricing, then the per square feet price over here varies from 23,000 square feet to 24,000 square feet depending upon the PLC. And with that, I have delivered every detail about the project to you. I hope I was able to explain it to you guys well. And if you found this video helpful, then hit the like button. And if you like to watch more of these informative videos and walkthrough videos of different projects, then please do subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time. Until then, sayonara.